All right, Antonio. How many questions was that? 5, 20. Let's see, question. You're gonna need a journal and a pencil. A journal and a pencil. You're gonna be like, oh, I know what I'm doing here. A journal and a pencil. 20. Okay, question. A journal and a pencil. A journal and a pencil. Arjuna, are you the only one here? Oh no. Okay. A journal and a pencil is what you're gonna need. Save and publish. We're doing some math.
Okay.
Journal and a pencil. Let me see. Copy. What is this, math? Math. Oh, 4. Is it this one? No, it's this one, maybe. 6 weeks at the top. Copy. Alrighty. And you're gonna need to be in Canvas, I guess. Canvas and a journal. Hold on, let me see. Yes. Like you created a quiz.
Do we have art today?
No, it's PE.
Okay.
Everybody has a journal and a pencil, and I mean, I guess you could always go back to Canvas and answer these later, if you want to. Everybody has a journal and a pencil?
Yes.
Let y'all off easy. I know that's what y'all
Yes.
I'm gonna let y'all off easy. Not gonna let y'all off easy. So, I went through and I looked at our math test and I picked a few problems that I thought we could answer together and turn in. Some of y'all are gonna be like, oh, I remember that, or I'm pretty sure I got the right answer. But here, I'll share my screen. We're gonna do this together, and you're gonna have to eventually go back and, well, yeah, I guess go back and take the quiz. Let me see. Can y'all see?
Yes.
Okay. Let me wait. Antonio went to the restroom. But
Wait, is this like the quiz that we is that the whole test, or is it you just like picked out some questions?
I picked some problems out. It's not the whole test. Picked out a few that I figured, let's go over these. That I could really type up in like 10 minutes because I created this quiz. Some that I think we should have gotten right, but we didn't get right. So I'm not saying all of y'all either. I don't think it wasn't all of y'all. It's just to the general speaking. Okay. Number 1. We're all going to be doing this together because you're going to go back and answer these in your Canvas later on. I'm guessing after PE probably. Or lunch. Alicia,
on Canvas to do that?
this is in math. If you're logging in right now, this is math and it says 9/24/20 quiz. It should be the first thing. If you want to log in, you can.
Okay, guys, I gotta get out of here.
Where the rest of y'all are at, I have no clue. Come on, Antonio. Go to Canvas, or you're gonna do it on Canvas.
It's in math.
Yeah, it's in math, and it's like 9/24/20. It should be the first thing under that module. Under the
Mardian.
right. Have your test because you are gonna tell me what to do. Because
9/24/20.
yeah, like I said, some of these will look attendance. Some of these will look familiar to y'all, and y'all will probably remember. I know why y'all probably got stuck on this one. Are y'all ready? Did y'all find it? I'll probably get through like two.
Yes.
I found it.
All right. You are expected to do this. So it says Alicia paid $42 for movie tickets to Saturday matinee. So matinee is just a movie like before, I think it's 5. The tickets were for her and 5 friends. What was the cost of each movie ticket if they were all the same price? Ooh. What are we going to set up here, first of all? What's the key word in this problem? That's going to help us set up our problem. In the question, what's the key word?
Each.
Each, which means we're going to do what? I wish I could.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm going to show you the problem on the test so that I can write down what we're doing. Hold on. Because it's the same problem from the test. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hover camera. It's only the second time I've heard that pencil sharpener this year. All right. Can y'all see it? It's the same problem y'all have. I just put it in a quiz. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I just put it in the quiz. So, paid $42 and somebody said each. And we're going to set up what?
Yeah.
Let's. Beans and cheese. And like I said, it wasn't all of y'all that missed this problem. So each.
What?
But it wasn't all of y'all. I don't know off the top of my head who missed it or who didn't, but I know it was missed, and I probably know why. So, do we know how much you paid for all of the tickets?
No, but there's a chance, because I answered the question before. So
Okay.
there's a chance if you could buy maybe 6 or 7.
Don't get discouraged by what you got. It was just to see where you're at. I want to go through and see how we're going to solve this problem. So we said each, we're going to set up gift. How much did she pay for her tickets?
Well, she paid 42 for
That would be our total, would go there. And it's for,
And y'all, we have to remember that she also paid for her ticket.
yes, that's the big key. I'm sure why some of y'all missed it. She also paid for her ticket and her friend's ticket. So how many people went to the movie?
So 6. Wait.
6.
Yeah, 6.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. So what are we gonna do for this problem? We know what. What are we gonna do? Chloe? What are we looking for? Our each.
This is my strategy actually. So
Tell me.
for each question I did times 6. We're like 4 times 6, 5 times 6, 7 times 6.
Oh, so you did it the other way.
Yeah, and then I just found my
Okay. That works too. So you know 6 people went to the movie. So what Vila did was she multiplied each one of these times 6. Like I think I told y'all, you can multiply times 6, wasn't it? And see, it gives you 42. That's what she did. And I'm pretty sure she answered it right.
Yep.
Which one gives you 42? And this where knowing your multiples, your basic facts, is so important. What's your answer if you do that? Oh, no. Don't even yell it out. I'm going to call on y'all. What is 8 times 6, Chloe? What is it?
I know the answer.
Hold on. Let her think. There, we'll come back in October. You are going to be having basic facts as homework. Everybody is. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday nights. You're going to have homework, basic facts.
Yes.
So what's 8 times
Finally.
6, Chloe? You want some help?
Here, I have some little advice for her. Count by your 6.
Count by your 6s. Somebody's trying to help her. It's Canvas, RJ.
Don't count. Because I remember.
Go ahead, Natalie. Help her out. What's 8 times 6? Natalie, what's 8 times 6?
So 6, 24, 30, 37, 54.
Ooh, we're rusty. What's 8 times 6, Antonio?
I'm rusty.
48. You went too far.
48.
48. Audrina, so that's not our answer because that's not 42, isn't it?
Not 42, so
Close, but
What's 6 times 5? Who knows that one?
30.
That's not it.
you were if like okay, so you got your first answer right, and it's 48. It's not 42, but it's in the 40s. So you would go down a little bit more, and what's 8 minus 1?
So 8 minus 6, you do repeated subtraction. Yeah. So what's 7 times 6?
42. Maybe.
So there's our answer.
And you say that 8 is too big, 9 is too big, 5 is too small, and then you get 7.
Kind of settle in between. So Vila did it the other way that I told y'all to do it. If you didn't know how many friends she had or how many people she took, you thought only 5, you were gonna get the wrong answer. And if you multiplied any of those times 5, you don't get 42 anyway. So
How many questions are on the test again?
there's 28. Or you could have divided and broke it down into groups. Or you could have done, I don't know how many of y'all got this one wrong, but I mean, I could look. I didn't know.
So it would be 8.
It would be 8. I don't know how many of y'all got. Let me look to see how many got it.
So it would be.
Pretty sure Vida probably got it right if you did that. What number is this? 12?
12. But I just marked it as 1.
You left it as what?
I marked it as 1 on my paper. So when we do the quiz.
Oh, okay. Yeah, not very many of y'all got that one right. Not very many of y'all. Vida, you did get it right though. So I
It
need.
was kind of tricky for some people.
What's the next one say? Sorry, what's the number 2 say?
Riley wants to buy 7 headbands that cost $13 each. She drew the model below on the grid.
No, not on your test. Not on your test. The quiz.
Oh, well, there's only 5 questions.
I know. What's the next one? What's it say? Is it the Manti described?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Manti described a geometric term as being part of a line with 2 endpoints. Which term was Manti describing? A ray, an acute angle, a point, or a line? There's 2 for sure on here you could get rid of. A point is literally a point. It's a dot.
Point is a dot.
You could get rid of that one. What about an angle? You know what an angle looks like, right? It's on the inside of your.
And what I did the acute angle, I have sticky notes.
She used the sticky note, and you know the angle is on the inside, so that couldn't have two endpoints. So that should have been another one we should have gotten rid of. I hope you are paying attention. Oh, a lot of y'all got this one right, actually. And then you had an array and a line segment would have been the two you're left with.
Line segment.
Yeah.
What is different between array and a line segment? Do you know what's different between array and a line segment?
Because a line segment has two endpoints.
That's what I need to hear. Yes, a line segment has two endpoints. A array goes forever.
Like it never ends.
It never ends. That's the key difference. So if you narrowed it down to those two and you picked Ray, which looks like a lot of y'all. Most of y'all got that one right. I'll give you credit. So that one should have been D, I think, line segment on number 2. Right? Most of y'all got that one wrong. I think the next one's the angle, right?
Yeah.
Writing this down, Natalie.
Zena draws an angle on her paper.
Most of y'all got this one right, but I needed a quick question too.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious for some people.
I mean, if you saw the word 90 and you remember how many degrees a right angle was, it should have been pretty obvious, which it looks like it was because most of y'all got it right.
Yeah, but some people just don't remember.
They don't pay attention.
Because sometimes they can think it's a trick question.
Some of y'all I don't know. Some of y'all didn't even get to finish the test. So, which I don't think they gave you enough time anyways. I would have given y'all probably all morning and maybe after lunch to take that test. And I probably would have helped.
Because the math, it was like,
Math was hard.
it would go by super fast. Like I would be there stuck on a question and then time would go by. I would be there for like 30 minutes and then I will finally get the answer.
Math, I would have, these tests at the end of 6 weeks normally take at least 2, maybe 3 hours for most people to get done with. So, number 24, Zena draws, or number 3, I think it's on yours, right? Number 3? Right, on your quiz.
Yes.
Number 3, Zena draws an angle on her paper. The angle measures 90 degrees. Which term? Natalie, Vida, don't answer, Audrina. Which term can be used to name what Zena drew? A right angle, a left angle, an acute angle, an obtuse angle. Y'all can tell me which one to get rid of, which isn't.
Well, it's pretty obvious that it's not a straight angle.
Oh yeah, y'all have straight angle on there, sorry.
I can tell that it's not an obtuse angle or straight angle.
Yeah, you're a booger board.
Because the obtuse angle is really big.
It opens up wider than the corner of your piece of paper. How many degrees is a right angle?
90.
90. So your answer should have been a right angle. I think it was, I don't know which one it is on your test. It should have been right angle on your quiz.
Yep. Question 4.
Remember, if you're confused about your angles, get any corner piece of paper that you haven't torn or anything is always 90 degrees. And highlight that corner so that you can tell if it goes past that. Let me show you what I mean. Y'all probably forgot.
On number 4, it's pretty obvious because
I don't even know what number 4 is. I forgot.
Yep.
Remember, anything on the inside, Natalie, is what? What type of angle?
Acute. I almost said obtuse.
Acute angle. Anything on the outside that goes past this way or goes this way is an obtuse angle. That little piece of paper is so important. Later on in the year, when we start going over, it's so important. What's the next question say?
Here needs to buy 42
invitations for
or a
paper.
party.
That one was kind of
If got 3 packages of invitations, how many invitations were in each package to have the correct number of
Understand as well as number 2.
Number 2. Can you go back to number 2? What did you say?
Number 2 was line.
That
I mean-
was. It was $7, right? What answer is that? C. Did you get it?
No, talking about number 2. I think number 2 was D.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
It's line segment. Line segment. I don't know. I changed my answers from my test to my quiz. It was line segment. I think it should have been A, first one.
Okay, so we're gonna do get because it has each.
Wait. Hold on. Natalie says we're gonna do get. Why are you doing get, Natalie? What is there? Yes.
The keyword is each.
The key word is each. How many invitations are in each package? So we know we're gonna be dividing because we're missing our E. We know we're gonna be dividing. So I guess I could do it on here. I have paper. Get. Why am I making things difficult? So we know we're gonna be dividing because we're missing this. And some of y'all that finished this math test in 30 minutes, no way that you did your best effort on it. Natalie says she didn't have enough time. Vida says she didn't have enough time, and they do well on most math things for the most part, unless they're not paying attention.
We're doing get, but I think wait, okay, yeah, we're doing get. We're doing divide.
What's our total number of invitations that she had?
42. But the hard part is that she only has 3 packages.
3 packages. So, Vida, how did you solve this one? Did you go and multiply each one of these by 3, or did you put them in 3 groups? Let me see how we do.
I just put them in 3.
Yeah, I did this.
There's multiple ways to do this one. From number 11.
I mean, you can do times 3.
Oh, we got all over the place on number 11.
You can do times 3 and see which one is equal to, well,
Let's see. So we put 3 groups. So we'd have how many 10s in 42? 4. Sorry.
4.
4. I think Chloe, you got this one right, Chloe. And then we got to share. Do I have enough 10s to share with my groups?
Yeah. No.
What? Chloe said yes. Do I, Chloe? Yeah, we do. So 1, get rid of it. 1, get rid of it. 1, get rid of it. I have to do. 1. So Chloe said 1. So 1. Now we're gonna share. How many are you gonna put in each group? Somebody tell me. Eva and Natalie, hold on with your answer. You can answer it on your quiz if you already know it, but how many, Chloe? I can barely hear you.
2.
Let's see. He says 2. Let me go through here. 1, get rid of it. 1, y'all have to do this.
3.
Let's see. This is where I think they are getting kind of lazy and not wanting to do it. They don't want to draw the picture. You cannot be lazy. Laziness is not good.
It looks like a face with 4 eyes.
Laziness is not good. How many is in each one of these?
4.
Total?
No, it's
Chloe, how many is in each one of these?
14.
14. Is that fair? I know
I
y'all-
got this one right, I remember.
I know you are perfectly capable of doing this. I don't think some of y'all really understood this. This is what's so important. If you don't get, you don't have those keywords underlined, circled, highlight, you will not do well. There's one more, right? Or one more? think there's one more. I think maybe we'll do it when we get back. All right. We'll finish that when we get back, okay? And I might create more.
From PE?
Yeah. Did you get to the last? Yes. I will see y'all. Y'all have PE from 10:50, so join the Zoom link 10:50 or 11:35, and then lunch until 12:20. What time are you back?
12:20.
12:20.
12:20.
Finish it. All right.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.